So Kajabi is overkill for the majority of people trying to start an online business because it is not for everyone. It serves a specific need. And in this video, I'm going to showcase who Kajabi is actually for and who Kajabi is not for. So hopefully by the end of this video, you're going to identify whether Kajabi is a good fit for you and your online business. So I've run my last 2 businesses on the Kajabi platform, but the main reason being is I understood the functionality that it offers as an online business owner. And that's why I use Kajabi today, and I am a Kajabi partner. Right off the bat, I can get you an extended 30-day trial of this platform if you want to take it out for a spin for free. That's over double the 14-day trial available to the public just by using my link. Head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi, and I've got a bunch of bonuses for you as well. But more on that towards the end of this video. So first off, we need to identify what Kajabi is. So if I just Google Kajabi, I can click on the Kajabi link going to their homepage, and it just says Kajabi, where creators build businesses. So Kajabi is designed for the creator business. So if you are creating any kind of content online, if you're trying to sell your knowledge, then this platform might be for you. If you're trying to sell physical products or starting a brick and mortar store, Kajabi might not be the best fit for you. So some of the products here, you can have a look down: online courses, coaching, memberships, communities. If this resonates with you, then Kajabi might be a good fit for you. But in this video, I'm going to showcase how I use Kajabi in my online business, and I'm going to show you the 3 simple steps that I would do to set up my Kajabi account in the right way. Now, everyone goes straight to the pricing of Kajabi. As it is an all-in-one platform, you have to invest a little bit of money. But if you were to add up all the things that you would package together for your email marketing, for your web hosting, for your checkout functions, you might find that you might save a bit of money going with Kajabi. But here's where I say Kajabi is overkill for most people. If you are like most people online and you just want a landing page or a home page just to signpost your offers and services to people, then Kajabi might be like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. It could be overkill. So if you want something like that, just a quick landing page, there are other services that'll be a hell of a lot cheaper than this service right here. As this product, Kajabi, comes with all of those options, you don't necessarily have to use all of them out of the box. In fact, I recommend you don't use all of these solutions out of the box. I'm going to walk you through exactly how I use it in my 1-person 6-figure online business. So if you class yourself as a creator or an expert, you want to try and package your knowledge into online programs or serve people digitally as a service provider, I'm going to show you how I use Kajabi for my entire online business. Like I said, it's not for everyone, but if you identify as one of these online business owners, then Kajabi could be for you. So I use it to host my website. My entire website is hosted on Kajabi. So if you go to my domain, again, I've linked up my domain using Kajabi. Go to my domain, timpeakman.com, and you can see everything here I have built out with Kajabi. So it helps you with landing pages, about pages. I even host my blog on Kajabi. Anything you want to build out in terms of sales pages or offers, it also does this for you. But the best thing I like about this is it allows you to integrate everything. So the first thing here, I'm going to show you how to do lead capture. So if you're putting any kind of content out there online and offering something like a free opt-in product, then I would probably put something like a landing page together with a form embedded. This just captures an email of someone. So if you do want to learn my stupidly simple 5-step system to generating online revenue, it is a free PDF guide. It's a simple guide. You can get access just by going to timpeakman.com/5 steps and putting your email in here and downloading this free guide. It's super actionable. It's a number of pages where you can just read through my 5 steps that I would do today if I was to start a business from scratch. And now this is how I build it out in Kajabi landing pages. So here you've got the main body. You can actually put preview text in here. I've just put PDF guide. It's super easy to use. It is literally click and drag. Putting some text in here. If you're not so good with copy, I would probably say go and use some AI to help you with some copy. Learn my stupidly simple 5-step system to generating online revenue stream. Simple PDF guide. And then you click in here and it's a form. So this form is my 5-step opt-in form, and I'll show you where you go to get that. So under marketing in forms, you design a form, and this is my 5-step opt-in form. And then this is just going to deliver the form is in the 5-step opt-in PDF. It's going to add them to a new subscriber sequence, and it's going to automate them into my email sequence. So here, all you need to do is learn how to put this kind of really simple opt-in page. This is actually a squeeze page, whereas people put in their email or leave. They're squeezing the email out. So again, if you want to check out this flow, then just go to timpeakman.com/5steps. Now, once you have content out there in the world, people discover it, then you offer them a free opt-in product like I've just walked you through now. Then you can also use Kajabi to position your paid offers. So now this is something that I would do inside Kajabi as well. Here is the complete webinar blueprint. This is a paid offer. So if I was to go and have a look at this, this would just be a checkout page. You can have offer details, title, internal title. You can put some kind of thumbnail as a logo, put a pricing on there. You can have pricing settings in here. You can have one-time payment, multi-payments. You can have subscriptions. You can actually have free offers in here. But if you wanted to then start a business on the back end of this, this is what I would do. Use Kajabi to try and build out your checkout pages. So as people find you, they opt into your world, then you can position these offers as you see fit, as a logical next step in your progression. But then the best thing about this is Kajabi also lets you deliver your products. And my favorite digital product is actually a service, and it's my coaching package. So this is my private coaching package. As you can see down on the left-hand side under products, you can have courses, communities, podcasts, newsletters, downloads. I love the coaching product because I can offer it very fast to people, and I can speak to them on a Zoom call and get them results really quick because it's bespoke to them. I can create a 3-month package, a 6-month package to try and have calls with them, access to me, some bespoke training how-tos for their online business, what to do at the very next step in their online business in order to grow it, in order to generate leads and grow sales. This is my favorite product within Kajabi because it is not retroactive, meaning if I was to sell a coaching package today, I can then tweak that product and then sell another one that looks totally different tomorrow, and it won't affect the library of my first client. So I can just sell this over and over again. And this is probably the product that I have sold the most. And it's super simple. It looks something like this. People can have calls with you, like Zoom-like calls within this package. They can go to session 1. They can schedule the sessions at a time of their choosing. You can have notes and resources in here. It's super, super simple. So this is what I would do if I was to start Kajabi tomorrow. I would then try and set up some kind of lead capture system. I would then put offers in front of people, and then I would use Kajabi to deliver those products or services. My favorite being the coaching service. You could have course products, community products, and even downloads. But if you are just looking for a landing page to signpost something, like maybe a Wix service provider would be better. You might be using a Sledgehammer to crack a nut, and it might be overkill if you were to try and invest in Kajabi if you are at that stage of your business journey. Everyone is at a different stage of their business journey. If you're just at the very start and you just wanted some kind of landing page, then Kajabi might not be for you. But if you knew you were going to be serving people in terms of coaching them online, creating digital programs for them, Kajabi is such a good fit if you are that entrepreneur. So there we have it. Kajabi is overkill for most people in the online business space unless you identify with all those different traits that I have discussed in this video. And if you do identify with those, I have a free gift for you. I can get you that extended 30-day trial. It's a free trial of this Kajabi program. That's over double the 14-day free trial just by using my link. You can head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. And I've also got a bunch of bonuses on that landing page as well. So the first thing you're going to get is a program from me called Kajabi Unboxed. This is what I would do if I was to unbox a Kajabi account in the right way. First, second, third, and fourth, ready to scale and make your online revenue. And yes, this is an affiliate link, but all that means is if you extend over those 30-day free trial, part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. But as a second thank you, if you went past those 30 free days, just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'll issue you another free program. It's called my Kajabi sales page templates. This is what I use in my online business today to generate revenue. I have a short form sales page, a long form sales page, and you can just simply download the template in a theme and upload them into your Kajabi account. Super easy. So hopefully you got value in this video and you can now identify whether Kajabi is the right fit for you or not, and understand why Kajabi is overkill for most people who are just wanting a very simple online presence. That link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. And I look forward to seeing you again on the very next video.